Welcome back to Cloud IT Solutions. In this video, we are going to take backup in Avaya IP Office 500 V2 control unit. Before taking backup, please make sure you have installed Avaya IP Office Manager on your system. Once you open the Avaya IP Office Manager, it will detect the controller if it is in the same LAN. Type the username and password and click OK. Here our last successful login is 2001. Our next video, we will show you how to change the time profile on Avaya IP Office 500 V2 control unit. Now, click File, Save Configuration. Once you click Save Configuration, it will prompt you to choose the location to save the configuration. You can rename the configuration file as Avaya Backup Configuration File or File Configuration, or else you can type the today's date for your reference. Once you type the file name, click Save. It will prompt you for a password, or that is an optional password. Click OK. Now we have successfully taken backup of the Avaya V2 control unit, which is in desktop. If you want to know how to restore this backup file, you can watch our previous video. Thank you for your support. Together,